This is the Jazame kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make a nice chicken soup. This chicken soup is actually made in Ghana, and I learned it from my sister who was for some time there. Now you take some backs, some thighs and some legs, and you remove the skin like how I did. You just take the thing like this and then you remove the skin. Don't remove too much of the fat because you need the fat. The fat is supposed to help in colds and coughs, and this is how you do it. Take out the skin. So you put it on the stove in a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker helps it to cook faster. So, and then add 3 cups of water, few garlic cube, garlic pods, and then 1 big onion, and then half a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, and you let this cook for about 20 minutes. This is a pressure cooker. You just add the gasket to the cover. This is a German pressure cooker. You had this one. This is what will show you the rings, the 2 rings. Then it's done. So, okay, these are the ingredients for the soup. Get tomato puree. This is habanero pepper, very hot. A little bit of cumin, 3 chicken cubes, ginger, and this is a little allspice from India. And you put your 3 cubes. Now that little black thing in the curry, in the soup, is the habanero pepper. Give it a stir and let it cook for another 5 minutes. This is 1 cup of fufu flour, that's cocoa yam, and this is 1 cup of plantain flour. We're going to make the fufu now. For the fufu, you take 2 cups of water and put it in a pot and wait till it boils up. Then you add the 1 cup of plantain powder and 1 cup of cocoa yam powder or flour. It's 2 cups of fufu flour, and you keep mixing it. Keep mixing it and mix it. This is how you make your balls. Fufu into balls. Now some small balls. This is the soup. Now you pour the soup onto the fufu ball. There you go. This is the finishing product.